Dima Hasao Deputy Commissioner shares in regards to COVID-19. Deputy Commissioner and Chairman, District Disaster Management Authority, Paul Barua explained detailed elaborate management in regards to the COVID-19 in Dima Hasao while appealing people cooperation to fight coronavirus.
Basically what we are doing, the structure is like this. Suppose some people come to us from outside. The first thing is that we go for an institutional facility. Institutional facility is that we take the swab test, and the swab is sent for testing. And once the swab test is negative, we can easily release him to go to home. They go for home quarantine for the balance of the days. Suppose 5 days it takes us to get the report, and it's negative. The balance amount of say 9 days, 9 days, they'll have to go for home quarantine. Okay, this is the structure we are following. It's all over Assam that we follow. We have invested a lot of energy and manpower in logistics also. We are picking up people from New Delhi station and airport, bringing them to the institution, doing the test, then sending them home. Okay, the 5-6 days they are staying until the report comes. We are providing them with food and beds, clean sheets, and absolutely security that they don't mix up. It's because we are worried about transmission. And we expect when they go for home quarantine, they'll not mix with anybody on the balance day. The total number is 14 days that have to be, they should be staying. Those who are coming out, even they have a negative report. If there is a positive report, and then we'll do the test. It has to come back with 2 negative reports. Then only we'll release them. Because that 14 days, it comes with a positive. Then 2 more swabs will be taken. If 2 more swabs, if they get a negative report, then you release them.
Okay, sir.
He also appealed to the people of the district to be more focused in peace and development, since the district administration is always be with the people of the district.
What the government is doing, this is a very centralized kind of operation we are doing. Okay, we are part of the government and we are trying best to give that whatever facility the government is giving to the public. Our office is just a source. We are following the policies what the government of Assam is giving us. So district administration is in, absolutely in service of the people for Dima Hasao. And we will do all within our powers to help these people. Definitely will do that, and it's my duty to do it. And my operations are like that I'm evaluating and monitoring all this, the entire complex operation. It's not an easy one. It's very big in number, but we are lucky that it's not like Golaghat or some other district with a red zone. It's much more complicated. But Dima Hasao as such is a hilly terrain and the density of population is low. The normal quarantine is already there because people are living in isolation. So therefore, we are in a certain amount of advantage. But people from outside are taking care of it. And we'll also communicate, we'll also take our autonomous district council help whatever way they can, and we'll cooperate and take this program ahead. And I'm definite that our district will be safe from any kind of transmission. That's what I can say. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.